Hi there. I work with my hands, with wood, and with power tools, and I thought that one of these really thin, really soft, I forget what they call them, like super thin 1mm daytime guard. Thought this would be useful, and it is. I do have a clenching issue, so I wear also one of their green flexible 4mm night guards to sleep. I forget if it's the 3 or 4, but I love it. And I figured I'd get this one too, and it's definitely useful. Makes me clench less when I'm concentrating and using my power tools. The case is really nice, keeps it clean, and ordering on their website was easy, and so was taking the impression, sending it back, and receiving my item. Definitely recommend.